Hey everyone, I'm Storm Shield meteorologist Jason Myers. I hope everybody had a good weekend, a good Mother's Day weekend, and enjoyed the festivities there. As for most of us, it wasn't bad, but some of us did get to see some severe weather, and pretty nasty severe weather too. Quite a few tornadoes were spotted both Saturday and on Sunday, really mostly concentrated in the middle of the country. Most of that severe weather on Saturday, you'll notice, was in parts of Kansas as well as northwest Missouri right there. And there was one tornado, it looks like right on the border of Alabama and Florida, and then another one in Idaho. But really most of the activity was centered over Kansas and Missouri with a lot of hail reports, 96 total, 49 wind reports, and then 11 tornado reports. That was just Saturday alone. Sunday was much busier, 28 tornado reports. A lot of National Weather Service offices are heading out today to do some damage reports. One I'm particularly interested in is this line of tornado reports across southeastern Nebraska. This was one we were watching really closely Sunday evening yesterday. It was quite the nasty storm, a very large supercell. I'm not going to be surprised if they saw a tornado out of this one, if not a couple of different tornadoes. A lot of hail reports too, 127 hail reports spanning really from mostly Kansas into Nebraska, Iowa, and then even into parts of the Midwest there. 83 wind reports. All in all, it was a fairly busy weekend, and like I said, the National Weather Service offices are going to be out today looking at things there. As for today, another small area of some severe weather. Looks like it's a fairly slight risk. Right here is the slight risk and shaded in yellow all the way from southern Texas up through the middle of the country and into parts of the Midwest, Michigan, Wisconsin, even covered in that. I think if we see anything, at least in the Midwest, it's more than likely going to be earlier rather than later. We're seeing a few storms right now. Not much in the way of going on just yet, but as the heating develops throughout the daytime, we have a slight risk to see some tornadoes. There's a small bullseye really from Missouri up through Wisconsin. As for hail, about the same as the slight risk. It's only about a 15% chance, and same goes for any strong winds. What I'm watching right now is these thunderstorms in parts of the upper Midwest going to continue moving to the east. Once they leave, if we get a break in the sunshine and things really start to heat up, we could see some of that severe weather a little later today. If we get rid of everything and take a look at the models and what's going to happen over the rest of the day today, take a look at what's going on. Here we have just really what's happening at the surface. This is what's happening at the surface. These are the rain showers, the potential for rain showers throughout the day. This is the RUC we're looking at, the really short range model. But seeing some rain showers and a few thunderstorms traveling across Iowa. Watch this as we get into the afternoon, late morning and into the afternoon. We start to see quite a bit of thunderstorm activity popping up in between Abilene and Dallas, and that just continues to build throughout the day and moving eastward. But mostly out of this, we're more than likely going to see some wind events as well as some hail events with some bow echoes probably forming along this line of storms. A little more activity could potentially fire up later this evening in parts of Iowa, Wisconsin, Illinois, and that's why we have that slight risk for tornadoes and some hail there as well. And the reason we're seeing that is because the upper level atmosphere is really working together with things going on at the surface in the upper Midwest for some tornado activity. But it looks like the timing, they may not hit at exactly the right times for any tornadoes to form. So keeping a close eye on things later this afternoon, because there is that potential for some severe weather, especially in the upper Midwest and spanning all the way down into Texas. Keep a close eye on things. Keep your Storm Shield app close by, because that will, of course, alert you to any warnings or watches for your exact location. Everyone, be safe this afternoon. Please like and subscribe this video, and I'll see you next time.